hello, Jefferson County.
How in the heck can you make wool out of rock?
We'll be very proud of this factory when it's done. I'm sure it will be a success.
Location, location, location. Jefferson County. It's the gateway to West Virginia.
This product is made fully out of local products. We don't import anything. We take some stone and then we make it very big into this.
And we're happy to have you in Jefferson County. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you.
We've really been looking forward to this day, this official groundbreaking. So 1, 2, 3.